Good morning, dear students. We'll continue with the sample paper. We are moving on with the subjective questions. And yesterday we did one letter writing, as well as the short questions in the previous classes, short compositions in the previous classes. You can keep your notepad and pen in your hand so that we can continue with our things. Let me share the screen with you. Yesterday we did this question, right? And we were doing this question. Write a letter to the editor of Real Time Bhubaneswar, and many suggestions were discussed. And you just listen to this question again. You are Shubha Krishna Mohanty, residing in Subhadra Apartments, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. You have observed with increasing concern that garbage collection continues to be done without segregation in your neighborhood. Write a letter to the editor of the Real Time Bhubaneswar in about 120 to 150 words, explaining your concern along with the rationale behind the importance of garbage segregation. Suggest ways in which the RWAs can participate in this program, a resident welfare association or like that. Now, we have already done this question yesterday. I'm making a revision. After completing the addresses and the subject, please pay attention on the body of the letter. It is with great anguish that I'm writing you this letter that the garbage in our society, though being collected at one place, is not being segregated the way it should be. We discussed another beginning. This is or through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I wish to bring to your attention. Similar beginning, I wish to express my anxiety and my concern regarding the segregation of garbage which is not done in my locality or in our locality. We have had a few meetings too with RWA members, Residents Welfare Association members, to raise this concern, but all in vain. No efforts have been put in. The need for its proper segregation is to be ingrained in people. At different visible corners, separate bins for dry and wet waste have been kept. The members have been apprised of it and explained not many of times, have been explained about this importance a lot many of times. Segregating the waste into categories reduces quantities of hazardous waste from getting mixed with the non-hazardous one, as the former is non-biodegradable and the latter biodegradable. We have discussed these points yesterday, dear students, that it becomes easy for recycling, keeping health and hygiene of people, and moreover, it is easy for us to keep our colonies and societies clean and tidy. In simple terms, the blue bins kept everywhere, anywhere are meant for dry waste such as oil, paper, plastic, etc. And the green bins receive the wet waste, that is the kitchen waste, which should be disposed off on a daily basis. I honestly hope that through the esteemed columns of your paper, people will understand the importance of garbage segregation and will help to make the environment clean and green. Right? Yours faithfully, and the name in the question, Shubha or Krishna. Right, dear students? So this we did yesterday and I've made you a revision also. Now, in choice, with this question, B part is a job application. You are a sports enthusiast. Aini Ajoy Sarkar of 83 Model Town, Guwahati, Assam. Right? Rangshala School, Guwahati has advertised the requirement of a sports teacher. You have a choice, job application and letter to the editor. Now, after, let me read the question first. You are excited and decide to apply for the post. Write a letter in 100 to 120 words responding to the given advertisement, submitting your candidature with a detailed biodata. Right? Now, an application and a biodata has to be written. Please, you can make a note of this, that this question will have two parts. One, the application part, and another, the the resume part or the biodata and the details and all those things. So let us discuss this question. I'll share the screen again. Let us pay attention to this question, which is a job application, dear students. When I said you need to write two parts, that means one, that letter part, application part, and the next part is that biodata and all. So what are we going to write after writing the address, the date, and the receiver's address? Now here the receiver is, you may write to the, you are a sports enthusiast, so as a sports teacher you are writing an application to the principal or the director of the school. The school is given Ramshala School, Guwahati, then the date, then sorry, you need to write your own address first, then the date, and then the director or the principal, Ramshala School and Guwahati. After that, coming to the body part of the content part of the letter, let us move to this part. This is with reference to the advertisement published in, now see the name of the newspaper if it is given in the question. The question is, let me read the question again for you, that you are a sports enthusiast, Ramshala School, Guwahati has advertised requirement for a sports teacher in a local newspaper. You can write any name, the Guwahati Times or India Times or Times of India, right? So the principal, the Times of India, Guwahati. And then you can proceed. This is with reference to the advertisement published in so and so newspaper, dated so and so, dated on so and so date, regarding the vacant situation, vacant position for the post of a sports teacher in your reputed or renowned school. I wish to offer my services for the same. I'm not only a sports enthusiast, but possess a degree in sports education, physical education, right? And have been a participant and a winner in many national events, right? Now, after that, you need to write that what all a bit of line you have an extra qualification or extra thing, certificate. I'm a certified coach in athletics from Sports Authority of India. That is SAI. This is just an extra line which I remember and all we can write. After that, if I'm given a chance, I will prove an asset for your institution. Now, the next part of the question is biodata part. So I hope you have understood the application part, and just below that, you'll write, after writing yours faithfully and the name in the question, Aimi or Ajay Sarkar, writing that, you will write the bio. And that in that, you will cover the following points that I'm writing on the board. You will make a note of that, right? Name, father's name, mother's name. You can write, right? And we are going with question number 8, right? Dear students, these points are that I have written on the board. Let us go through them, right? This is for the biodata that you are going to enclose along with the job application as we discussed. Your name, father's name, right? Mother's name, address, contact number, ID, date of birth, marital status, married, unmarried, educational qualification, experience. This is very, very important. You can mention 5 years experience in the relevant field. So when you are writing the application, also you can write this is with reference to the advertisement published in the Times of India dated 20th Jan 2021. I wish to, for the vacant situation or the post of a sports teacher in your institution, I wish to apply for the post. I wish to offer my services for the same. As regard to my qualification, I am a graduate from so and so university, right? And physical education, graduate in physical education from so and so university. I possess a degree as well as I am a certified coach from certified by the Sports Authority of India. I also possess an experience of, or I have an experience of 5 years in the relevant. If I am given a chance, I shall try to prove my best, or I shall prove to be an asset for your thanking you, yours truly. This way we write the. Then after that, we will write this resume part or this way. I hope this is clear. This is clear, dear students.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Your responses are always awaited. Now, moving on to the question number 9. Right? Let me share that question with you. So these are all detailed questions. Detail means children 120 to 150 words. So now we are on question number 9. While reading about new places and searching for them online has its merits, the advantages of actually traveling to various destinations far exceed them. Write an article in 120 to 150 words for the magazine. Travel times evaluating both these options. You may use the cues given below along with your own ideas. You are Amrit, Amrita. Now clues are given: building confidence, makes friends and memories, experience new cultures, expands knowledge. Now let us understand this question first, which is of 5 marks, writing an article. While reading about new places and virtually touring them has its merits, but advantages of actually traveling to various destinations. We have got the point here that where we are required to write. Now, what are we going to, write is, yes, virtual, digital world has, given us a lot of opportunities, and especially during the pandemic times and all, but still advantages of actual traveling cannot be kept aside and denied and all. So write an article in about 120 to 150 words. Now dear students, pay attention to this question. Little sample answer I'm going to discuss with you. Technology has replaced almost everything in today's times. Traveling too has become a virtual reality. But whether it can replace the traditional travel is something that can call for a debate. The new generation is born and raised in a digital world where they are all too familiar with the technological advancements, and for them traditional ways are of bygone eras. But does virtual tourism satisfy the viewer? All it does is that it brings those heavenly destinations on your screen, made in the form of videos, pictures from all across the world, and gives the viewer a sensory experience. But in actual traveling, the best part is that you interact with people. This real life experience, talking, laughing, enjoying, having, developing an interpersonal relationship, traveling with the friends, in groups, with families, and experiencing the world. You collect memories, witness new cultures, and in the process, build your confidence. We have covered up the clue which is given in the question, and all other points have also been covered, and experiencing new cultures, expanding knowledge, exploring the world, that builds your confidence. Lastly, remember that it is all for real, not virtual. Or we can write, virtual world cannot take place of our real experiences. So I hope some clues, with the help of the clues I have given you the answer, you can work a little more, make it more beautiful, right? So question number 9, if you understand, is a 5 marks question with a choice between article and report. The report question is also on the screen. You can see Ranikhet district, Uttarakhand, on the occasion of Basant Panchami celebrations, had organized a 3-day cultural festival. You are Bhupinder Priyanka Bisht. Your newspaper had deputed you to cover the inaugural event of this festival. As a newspaper reporter, use the given cues along with your own ideas to write a report about the same in 120 to 150 words. Have you understood this question, dear children? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, the previous question was an article writing based on virtual traveling and touring and the real travel experiences. Now, this question is based on Basant Panchami celebrations, writing a report. What we do in a report, the format part, writing the heading, then byline if you want, written by, okay, then giving, after giving a caption or the heading, we move on with the date and the place, and we write the report, right? So pay attention to this question also. Now, let me, yes, now you can see on the board, question number 9, report writing. And 5 marks. Okay. Now layout format. So heading. The question says that it is Basant Panchami celebrations. You can give the same heading. Basant Panchami cultural festival. Right? And you can write by correspondent, like, because it is a report, so HT correspondent, Hindustan Times correspondent, by sometimes we write by a special correspondent. A byline, if you wish to write, right? Either the name of the, right? Then you can write the name also, whatever is given in the question, right? In bracket. If you remember all these things, your report will become presenting, right? After that, dear students, we discussed that date. Now the name of the place. Then 30th or 15th January. And then we will continue with your, right? So let me share again the question with you. So this was the beginning part, right? I hope you have understood this much. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now, the clues are big crowds, main grounds, marketplace, beautifully decorated, colorful decorations, inauguration, local panchayat member to inaugurate, folk dances, or folk dance and songs and speeches delivered by maybe some dignitary. Or now whosoever has inaugurated, we can take the write the name of the person who did the inauguration, and so many other things can be written in this because clues are also given wonderfully. Right, on the grand occasion of Basant Panchami, people of Ranikhet district, Uttarakhand, had organized a 3-day cultural festival. Or you remove had and write organized a 3-day cultural festival from 11th January to 13th January or 12th to 13th January. Right? With uh, full with, or the whole town was brimming with enthusiasm, right? So let me read for you this sample report which will help you a lot. People of Ranikhet district, Uttarakhand organized a 3-day cultural festival that was all fun and frolic, from the entertainment or fun and frolic throughout the 3 days. The pandals were beautifully and colorfully decorated in the city, which was the center of attraction for one and all. The local panchayat head, Mr. So and so, Mr. Ranveer Bhatt, did the inauguration or inaugurated or graced the occasion on the inaugural day, that is 12th of January. And amidst a lot of fanfare, followed by a heart-warming speech. He delivered a heart-warming speech on the occasion and enthused the local people who had gathered in large numbers to be the part of the celebration. Right? A huge statue of Goddess Saraswati was placed in the central hall, where a wonderful puja was conducted and prayers were offered by the people. Special dignitaries and guests were invited from the city, right? Then children from different schools performed dances and folk songs, or folk dances and songs were performed by the school children. Then you can write the festival ended with a speech delivered by the head of the, or the mayor of the city, or whosoever has been invited in the this celebration, right, who has inaugurated, and followed by the token prizes given to the students, or the prize distribution was conducted for the school children on this grand occasion. The warmth of the occasion truly marked the end of winters. Now, dear students, this is the report part. Now, I have just shared a report framing the sentences. What you can cover in this question is, apart from all these things, I'll just summarize the points. Inaugural ceremony, right? Inaugural. After inaugural, we have written that the whole city was decorated and beautifully was transformed into a wonderland. Huge tents, right? Decorated city halls, right? Or city hall where the program is being conducted. Students from various schools and colleges. Performances, their performances. I'm just giving you a clue. Performances, speeches, and notes. Vote of thanks was delivered by so and so. the city collector inaugurated. It's not from the Gram Panchayat and all. You can write. It's very easy. It is that the city collector was invited for the inaugural ceremony. The city collector, Mr. So-and-so, S.N. Dhawan, graced the occasion and was the chief guest for the inaugural function. After that, delivery of the end speeches and prizes, and we have also mentioned a grand puja was conducted on the. We can be creative because we all attend these ceremonies and functions, right? I hope, dear students, you have understood this question number 9, B part, 5 marks. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So please read and practice few reports and articles. And if you have any query, you can ask in the next class. We'll continue, right? God bless you all.